Zimbabwe's gold-backed unit weakened to its lowest end level against the dollar since launching 3 months ago, with monetary authorities ruling out any need for intervention. Ashperi mushemuri yeZimbabwe zigira rochinze ruchizodona manje sana bena mashoko abuda nyogwa pana panowakomana notipa wasubscribe like utina on the bell icon notwanyora vachiti Zimbabwe rules out intervention as ZiG hits record low against dollar. Vanoti number 1, ZiG has weakened 1.5% against dollar since debuting in April. Number 2, Central Bank Deputy Chief says ZiG4 is normal fluctuation. Tipina umono kwa mchinzi, the ZiG short for Zimbabwe gold weakened 0.5% to 13.76 per dollar on Thursday, its biggest single day drop since the unit was launched 3 months ago, according to data posted on the central bank's website. That brings the currency's cumulative loss to 1.5% since it debuted at 13.56 per dollar in April. Domashwa rubuda panapa ukomana tramashwa kuti aiwa the Zimbabwe gold currency has paused its single day drop kubva ichitanga kuintroducedwa muna April 3 months ago ichinzi aiwa the Zimbabwean gold has weakened from 0.5% to 13.6 per dollar. Muri Zimbabwe tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pe gold backed currency. Tudze mafungiro enyu peda comment section medu musangano subscribe kulike channel on the bell icon.